Hi there. So today we'll be making a swan. I think it's a fun little origami piece to make. It takes a little while, and give it about 5 minutes if you get used to the folds. First, you'll want a square piece of paper. If you do not have this size of paper, you can easily take a normal piece of paper, take a corner, fold up to here, and tear off the rest. And then you'll have a perfect square. But no matter what, when you begin these projects, you're going to want to make this sort of diamond look here, or this star look here. You can fold it in half diagonally, fold it in half again, and fold it in half again. You're going to fold it in half 3 times. Every time you make these folds, always do a reverse fold, so it's folded on both sides. Same thing. Back up. Same thing. Now the key to making really good origami is you want the white on the inside at all times. So that you always see the color on the outside. Now, we're making a bird today, so what you want to do is we're going to try to make this kind of like reverse fold like this, so that you have this shape. This is what it's going to look like in the long run, so I'll show you how I do that. On the inside, you're folding the corner in like this, the other corner in like this. It takes a little bit of practice to do this, so be very patient with it. I would say this is definitely the hardest step here. You're going to push this open here. Let's see it like that. And you're going to take the middle part here on the outside and fold it in along the center. You want to make sure that it's as close to the center as possible. Again, you don't want to see too much white of the color. You're going to have this look when you get the fold right. Same thing with the other side. And the successful fold should look like this. You'll see it looking kind of like a big kite. Now, you still have the back side like this. You want to turn it around now and do the same thing on the other side. You can see it. Again, you want to make sure that you're folding as close to the line as you can. I'll show you real quick. As close to the line as you can along here. And be very patient with this portion. It can be kind of stressful just because, well, if you've never done this, it took me a while to figure this out. But when I watched videos on this, it really helped me to see how people do it. So this is the goal. You want it looking like a kite on both sides. And again, this part, it may seem weird, but work with it. You're going to take the middle portion here and bring it to the center. You want to flatten it down as much as you can so that it looks like this. And you want to do it on all 4 sides. So one side will look like this. Same thing on the other side. And as close as you can to the center. So that ultimately looks like this. Now you're going to take the right side of each side and fold it over. You want to make sure that it's all tucked in. Top portion here, the portion here. You'll see the unfolded side still has these flaps. The folded side does not. So take the other side and do the same thing. You'll be doing a lot of repeat steps for the bird. So finished step here looks like this. You're going to take the bottom portion and fold it up so that it looks like this. Same thing on the other side. Fold it up. Now you're at this point. You're going to fold it over again from right to left. So now it's kind of open again. Before it was closed. This is where you're making the wings. So you're going to do this on both sides. Here, that's where you should be at. And this is where it gets really fun. Fold this down. You got wing number 1. Reverse, fold it down again. Wing number 2. Hold it tight. Here's the head right here. Push it, kind of like a lever. And you can reach in between the 2 pieces of paper here and here. Push this piece of paper down, then pinch it so that you have a head. Push this side down, pull it out again like a lever. Push so that it stays. So here's the head. Here's the tail. Turn it. Now if you want to see the wings, bring the wing up, fold in the middle. Same thing. Fold in the middle. Here's the wings. Head, tail, wings. Now, for fun, you could stop here. If you feel like being adventurous, you can take the wing on the inside and pop it open. Like that. And then push up. Like this. And now it's more of a full wing. I like to do this because if you have kids, I work with kids plenty ton. Make it fly. Thanks for joining me.